Singing talent number 1.
One, harap. Gano'n.
And singing talent number 17. Singing idol number 1 and singing idol number 17. Ano lang sasabihin ko? Tatawagin ko matatanggal?
Hindi, tawagin mo yung safe.
Safe? Kasi wala naman kasi talagang matatanggal sa kanilang dalawa.
O, di safe silang dalawa. May issue ba doon? Wala siya ba? O, Nay, matatanggal daw. Joke.
And singing idol number.
Okay. Hindi pa daw sila ready.
Na matanggal?
Oo.
Pala, sorry, you are both.
May matatanggal ba kaya sa kanila?
Para. Charot! Joke lang, hindi ko nakita ng result. May matatanggal ba? O sabi niyo you are all safe.
Congratulations. Bunod na. Bilis.
Please move forward, singing idol number 4, 5, and 6.
4, Nagpatayan. 5, Marcos. 6, Valenciano.
Dito kaya. Oh my God. You are all safe. Please move forward, singing idol number 7.
7.
Singing idol number 10. And singing idol number 2. Dito kaya may matatanggal?
Feel ko meron. Yung honest, feel ko.
Ang tatawagin ko, safe. You are safe. Singing talent number 10.
Congratulations. Safe si Valdez.
At dito naman, tatawagin ko ay ang hindi safe. Yung matatanggal na. Sorry, it's the end of your load tonight. Singing idol number 2. Congratulations, singing idol number 7. We will still move forward, singing idol number 14 and number 3. O audience, dapat may audience participation. Ano, may matatanggal? Wala? You are safe, singing idol number. Singing idol number 40. So please move forward. Ang tatawagin ko po ay safe. Okay? You are safe, singing talent number. Ang kumanta kayo ng I'll be there, or yung tamis ng unang kiss. Ladies and gentlemen, you are safe. Singing talent number 30. Congratulations. And
Congratulations.
Miss Wemalyn Espiritu, you are, this is the end of your road. It is your